He who invented money has created a problem for mankind, says a popular Ghanaian highlife song that played on the airwaves back in the 90s. This is no exaggeration. There is approximately 40 trillion US dollars in circulation worldwide. Yet, not everybody has enough money to survive. According to the World Bank, nearly 10% of the world population live in extreme poverty. It cannot be overstated how tough it is to live life with little or no money. This begs the question, who even invented money? Well, let's do some digging. First of all, what is money? Money is an item on which value has been placed to allow for exchange of goods and services. But money did not exist at the dawn of creation, so how did our ancestors exchange goods and services prior to the invention of money? Before the invention of money, people relied on the barter system, which involved the direct exchange of goods and services without the use of money. For instance, someone could exchange a fowl for a pair of sandals. With time, a type of currency developed as natural objects and commodities became used as a medium of exchange. Rare objects from nature such as shells, copper, gold, and silver were used as a means of transaction. For example, in Africa, Europe, Asia, and Australia, shells were used as a means of transaction. Likewise, important indispensable commodities such as salt were used as the medium of exchange. Around 600 BC, the Kingdom of Lydia, located in contemporary Turkey, minted coins from electrum, a mixture of silver and gold, for transaction. These were believed to be the first official currency. Later in 900 BC, the Chinese also developed bronze versions of cowries for transactions. Other cultures also developed coins of all kinds for transaction. Coins were a great improvement on the previous systems of transaction. However, it could be very inconvenient to carry loads of them around. Realizing this, in 1100 AD, the Chinese government came up with a more convenient means of transaction, that is paper money. These were made from the bark of mulberry trees. It is said that the banknotes issued had this rather interesting inscription on them: "Those who are counterfeiting will be beheaded." The great Venetian merchant, explorer, and writer Marco Polo saw the use of paper money in China and wrote about it in 1296. Europeans found his account to be ridiculous and therefore wrote it off. It was not until 1661 that Sweden issued the first banknote. Paper money was eventually adopted worldwide. It was used as a form of representation for specified amounts of precious metals such as gold and silver. For this reason, paper money was called representative money. It was guaranteed that governments would exchange them for a specified amount of precious metals. Representative money was abandoned for fiat money after the Great Depression, which occurred between 1929 and 1939. Fiat money is a government-issued currency that is not backed by a physical commodity. It is therefore valuable, yet intrinsically valueless. Unlike representative money, fiat money increases the stability of currencies as well as central banks' ability to control the supply of money in economies. This is something that the next type of currency defies. In 2009, the first virtual currency, Bitcoin, was created by a mysterious programmer or programmers with a pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Called cryptocurrency, virtual currency takes the form of tokens or coins. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies don't rely on any central monetary authority, such as a government or bank, to circulate and are thus free from government control. Cryptos depend on a centralized network of computers to keep track of transactions. They also rely on cryptography to prevent counterfeiting and fraudulent transactions. Today, there are over 20,000 cryptocurrencies in circulation, with over 10,000 being active. Some top cryptocurrencies apart from Bitcoin are Ethereum Ether, Dogecoin, Cardano, Solana, Litecoin, Polkadot, and Tether. Cryptocurrencies have received acceptance globally with over 300 million users worldwide. Also, about 18,000 businesses accept payment in cryptocurrencies. So, this is the origin and evolution of money over time in human history. Would humans have been better off without this invention? Tell us what you think in the comments section below.